How to remove the starter solenoid on a Murray mower. When your Murray mower won't start, there may be several reasons. If the battery and starter are fine, then you will need to replace the starter solenoid. The starter solenoid is the component that links the ignition, starter and battery all together safely. Sometimes the starter solenoid will have a shorted out wire and you will need to replace the starter solenoid to get your Murray mower running again. Things you will need: Phillips screwdriver, wrench set. Remove Murray rider mower starter solenoid. Sit in the seat of your Murray rider mower. Unscrew the forward/reverse lever cover located between your legs. Use the screwdriver to remove the screws from every corner. Pull off the cover. Locate the starter solenoid, which is bolted under the area almost straight down from the front edge of the seat. Pull the fuse wire tab off the base of the starter solenoid. Unscrew the ignition and battery cables from the side of the starter solenoid using the proper sized wrench. Remove the starter solenoid by unscrewing it from the frame of the mower using the proper sized wrench. Remove Murray push mower starter. Follow the key ignition cable at the top of the handlebars to the battery box on the rear, top part of the Murray push mower deck. Locate the starter on the side of the battery box. The cable from the ignition and a cable from the battery are bolted to it. Unscrew the cables from the starter using the proper sized wrenches. Remove the starter. Unscrew the two bolts holding the starter to the side of the battery box.